The Nyotrab Youth Council, HYC West Khasi Hills District, held a meeting on the 26th of October 2023 with the Chief Executive Member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, Panyat Singh Siem. During the meeting, they urged for the installation of a life-sized statue in honor of late veteran leader Hoping Stone L. Nonglait at the KHADC West Khasi Hills District Office in Nongstoin. Lumlang Kharsimli, the leader of the HYC West Khasi Hills District, stated in a press briefing that a previous proposal for the statue had been proposed by the council, but there has been no response thus far. The HYC emphasized the importance of recognizing late Nonglait's contributions, particularly his advocacy for the safety and security of Langpi residents in the border areas between Meghalaya and Assam. This tribute is believed to be a fitting way to honor his legacy, informed the HYC leader.
Hagani kasngi lai open hinduk bagi la PNC. Panyat Singh Siem di belong CM jong ka KCDC. Te kajing ekran kajing isibun gima. Kaban kong kadai habare ka borda. Te ngiwi kajing borda kajing ni kata kalong kajing duna par ka roi kapar khantam na ka KCDC. Dapi phai na ka sarkar Assam. Kibru jungi kidan katukan ni ngimla bandan hi kiong yathu ba ha Assam dalej menta la chai la yo kijing erap rei da ha jungi pat dalej menta kemud asnam nasam kesimpor dena ketika benta kejing telot ke kibru jungi rungi kade ta wei benta re kejing telot jung bru jungi tentang telok kum ngop kum ya ta benta halang pi in salai ein marga de kasnong ko ba mai joping ula jauh KSF kasar namta kadawa jung kari jai bendu tengi sodai kita jeng keren jong CM bat rei hadu mental lakumba laisnam kampat ulong laisnam sosnam tengi wan mentan nak liang setenat long ba usiam ba mentah ba Panyat Singh Siem yong ba insa ngiong ya baro an rei ba insa perkhat yang ni ban sanction nam ta ban tei umot sirin yang jong mai joping ubolong nila banong mai joping ulong MDC hadu lai pendus nam nang tahu long guru kum UCM hagas nam khat khandai spa prap saw hadu prap khandai te kawai ru de bru ba ki pai ba ki i udai nong yale nam ta ga hill state nong yalam nam ta ga ri ban yale kat ba la banom khlong yo uranium hapo nya ka west Khasi district te ken mau tin jom i ong ba shwa ban khau ban khlong yo uranium khlong shwai ki do jam ki badan hapo ka do nut ka jam na te tu upor lu sarkar ka ken randin no banti uranium te kum yo to orang ba na e pinyo badu dei unong lam leti nam takari bu jai madem te kum ta kum baong giru teman ki bathok ba sikor yo mi joping ki kelon ki te ngi kerpat tu dia ta ni ga isi ko bala lam de ba ngai Sing Siem ba in le ta manta kum ba kular bantai yo mo sir yang nam ta jong ba joping seneng dak